right? Things like apophenia, pareidolia, hallucination, psychosis, schizophrenia, they're all predicated on two senses. One is the sense of hearing and the one is the sense of visual. Let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles per hour.
You have to study physics. The collision of organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have, right, I mean,